What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Torque Spec Garage. We got another install video today. Actually, a company, OVAMAN, reached out, wanted to send me a dash cam for the Camry. So that's pretty cool. Shout out to them, specifically Bill. He's the one I dealt with. So shout out to Bill from OVAMAN for hooking it up. So we'll get out here. I'll start getting the little guard off the mirror and everything, and then we'll start going over what's in the box. Should be pretty clean setup. Different than the one I just did a video on. This one's actually it's like integrated into the mount. So should be pretty clean, but we'll get out here and get straight to it. Again, shout out OVAMAN. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so inside the box, we got our instruction manual. We have our hardwire kit. I don't know if I have to use that or not. I think they make a Y cable that goes with it. Rear camera. Looks like a coupon. Then I didn't unwrap this thing. So you have the mount with the camera right on the front to replace your factory one in the Camry. Very cool, very nifty. Oh yeah, there's the Y cable. So I think I can get away with just using that. I don't know if I have to, and they give you a little pry tool for tucking your wires. Super nifty. So let's get into taking this off. I think this just slides forward and then this pops off, and then you should be able to just take the whole thing off. But 1 second, I'll figure it out. All right, guys, got the original one off. Yeah, I just pushed like away from the mirror and it slid down a little bit, enough to just pop this little piece out. I'll actually just show you. It just sits in here like that, and then you just pull backwards and these little tabs pop out. And it pulled right off. So now I think we have to unhook this part of the wiring and plug it into the Y cable, and then plug the Y cable into that connector there. So let's see if I can get all that mocked up. All right, guys. So you just want to unplug this connector here. I've already done so. And it's this one that you just plug into the Y cable that comes with the camera. And then you just plug the other end back into where the factory connector was. And as you can see, I just kind of have it hanging right here at the moment. But just make sure this is out of the way, and then you can do the same thing. Just pop this little panel off, slide it over your mirror, and clip it back in. Alright, guys, so got everything in. Like I said, just got all the stickers peeled off the camera. Looks good, looks clean. And this one you actually don't do through your screen, so there's an app which I have pulled up. How good you'll be able to see it on my phone. But pretty much you just run everything through the app. You can click and see the files it takes. Delete them, keep them if you need them. But yeah, pretty nifty. And it does look very slick, so 10 out of 10 on that. I still got to do the back camera. But I'll get to that later on. I'm not really worried about the back one at the moment. But when I do it, I'll do it just like I did the other one. I will run probably just along here through the headliner to get to there. But yeah, I like it. Very slick. Yeah, guys, that's all there was to it. So again, shout out to OVAMAN for hooking it up with that. That design is very, very slick. I'm very happy with it. Being able to just unhook, 2 connectors and plug a cable right in and get it working instead of having to run all that wiring and stuff. Super, super simple. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to get one of these for yourself. Yeah, really doesn't get much easier than that. The quality's great. The app runs super smooth. So 10 out of 10. Would recommend if you guys are looking to get you a dash cam for your Camry, or I think they make them, I think he said, for all kinds of vehicles and not just be a Camry. But anyway, again, huge shout out to Overman for hooking it up. If you guys like this kind of stuff, you know, comment, like, subscribe, and follow along, man. You never know what we're going to do next. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.